Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to my channel. This is Claire Garcia today, and Aaron Garcia Anderson, and we are going to talk about the steps to starting HIV treatment as a newcomer in the United States. The first step is getting tested. Even if you know your HIV status, you have to get tested. No one will believe you if you say you are positive, you got a test in another country. They have to have a record that you have been tested in the United States. And in another video, I'll be sharing places where you can get tested for free. So the first step, get tested. The second, get a healthcare provider. Once you get tested, the place where you get tested, it's easier to find healthcare providers. But remember, in the United States, not all healthcare providers are knowledgeable of immigrant issues or understand the languages or the culture. So that's where I say you have to know other immigrants living with HIV who will guide you and show you the doctor they're using. The third, you have to schedule your first appointment. That's why you will discuss everything with your healthcare providers. And the fourth step is understanding your treatment options. And as you are searching for the doctor, also you have to understand the insurance. There's another video where I talk about the insurance you need to have so you can cover your healthcare costs and how to get affordable healthcare where you can be able to afford or get it for free. And the fourth, you have to, yeah, baby Francis is sleeping and mommy taking a video. And the fourth is understanding your treatment. Treatment we have here in the United States differ from the treatment we have in other part of the countries and other part of the world. So you have to know, to be knowledgeable, to know which one will go well with your plan. If you're a woman, you're planning to have children, if you are you have to understand the medication. I'll be doing a video about planning, about understanding healthcare, HIV treatment options, depending on age, on the gender, on the occupation, stuff like that. The last step, the fifth step, is start taking your medication. And when you start taking your medication, then you have appointment with your healthcare provider. So you'll be able to report what's going on, what's happening. Here you have 5 steps to have to get started with HIV treatment as a newcomer. I'll be doing more video about how to have access to HIV treatment as a newcomer in the United States. Thank you.